How to fix no SIM card detected on Android phone. So if you want to fix no SIM card detected on Android phone, then here are some methods. So the first method is to check the SIM card. If you have recently removed the SIM card and reinstalled it, a SIM card not inserted alert appears. It could be that your SIM is oriented incorrectly or has scratch marks. So to fix that problem on your Android phone, please turn off your device before removing the SIM card. After taking out the SIM card, please check the direction of the SIM card and check whether there are any scratches under the surface of the SIM card. If there are any stains, please clean them before cleaning the SIM card slot. Then try inserting the SIM card again to see if the SIM information can be recognized. And the second method is to test whether the SIM card is working properly. To test whether the SIM card is working properly, insert the SIM card into another device or another phone and see if it can be detected. If that still doesn't work, the SIM card is damaged or the SIM card needs to be changed. You need to contact your operator for help and get a new SIM card. You can also use another SIM card to insert into the phone to reconfirm whether the unrecognized SIM card is damaged. And the third method you need to do is you need to remove uncontrolled third-party software. If you've recently downloaded any software and it's out of control, otherwise abnormal, the third-party software may also affect the SIM card, causing Android phone can't detect the SIM card. Therefore, you need to delete your third-party applications or recently downloaded software one by one and then try restarting your phone. And after restarting, check if your problem might have been fixed. And the fourth method is to restart your Android phone. To restart, simply press and hold on to your power button and you need to restart. If the no SIM card error occurs on your Android device due to an unknown software glitch, then you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix Android phone no SIM card detected problem and may also help if the SIM is not recognized. And after restarting, check the phone screen to see if the SIM card cannot be detected prompt appears and your problem might be fixed. But if that still isn't, then the fifth method is to confirm that the SIM card is turned on. Android phones allow users to freely open or close the SIM card. When the SIM card is disabled, the SIM card will not work in the Android phone. So if you have disabled the SIM card unintentionally, your Android phone says no SIM card detected. To do this or to check this if the SIM card is turned on or not, you need to open up your settings, find the SIM card option, go with network and internet, and then tap on SIM card. On your SIM card, go with the SIM, the first or second SIM, and then make sure that you've enabled the SIM card. Once you've enabled, your problem might be fixed. So these were the fixes on how you can fix no SIM card detected on Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.